You can enjoy your coffee anytime and anywhere because Dojuso released a fire fuel coffee with premium Arabica coffee beans at meron ka ng 10 pack. Each pack contains a 2 coffee, isang black coffee at isang L-carnitine coffee na you can enjoy AM and PM. Pero in my case, tinimpla ko na siya ng sabay. Basta kailangan yung dalawang coffee na yan matake mo ng buong araw. At the same time, ang maganda pa nga po dito, nakakatuwa dahil naisipan nila na sa pouch mo siya itimpla. So anytime, anywhere, may enjoy mo na talaga yung coffee mo. So ayun yung black coffee yung una and then ito naman yung L-carnitine coffee. Tapos sa likod niya makikita mo yung water line. So hanggang dyan lang yung tubig na lalagyan mo. Pwede siya in cold and hot water. In my case, cold water ko siya tinimpla. You can enjoy your coffee without a guilt kasi zero sugar and zero fat na rin po ito. Tapos healthy pa siya. And after mo nga siyang maitimpla, ready to sift na. So if you want to avail this one, nandyan lang sa ating yellow basket and you can enjoy your coffee anytime, anywhere.